Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 15. Stepping just outside the grounds of the Palace of Fine Arts, you find yourself in one of San Francisco's most desirable residential areas. The streets immediately surrounding the palace are lined with houses that signal wealth and exclusivity. These aren't ordinary city homes. They are high-end properties, many valued into their multi-million-dollar range. Architecturally, the neighborhood is a showcase in itself. You see Mediterranean-style villas with stucco walls and red-tiled roofs, Beaux Arts and Spanish Revival mansions with decorative ironwork, and many modern variations, with glass facades and sleek lines. Many of the houses are 3 or 4 stories tall, taking advantage of narrow-seated lots by maximizing interior space with rooftop decks and bay view terraces. The scale and finish immediately set them apart from the average San Francisco home. Because of their proximity to the Palace of Fine Arts, these residences command some of the highest prices in the Marina District. Buyers here are not just paying for square footage, they are buying into a setting where a world-famous landmark is literally their front yard. Step out the door and the lagoon, the tundra and landscape grounds are part of their everyday scenery. That combination of cultural prestige and natural beauty gives the area an exclusivity that few neighborhoods can match. Many of these homes are meticulously maintained, with polished facades, landscaped entrances, and garage doors that hide exotic cars. Others have been renovated with contemporary interiors while keeping their historic street presence intact. The result is a streetscape that feels both timeless and modern, expensive but understated in a way top-tier neighborhoods often are. Walking here, you get a clear sense of status. This is an enclave where real estate is less about need and more about privilege. For those who live in these houses, the Palace of Fine Arts is not a tourist attraction. It's part of their daily view, a backdrop to morning walks and evening routines. That proximity combined with the architecture is what makes this one of San Francisco's most elite residential areas.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.